apply your favor. Something that makes me look at you too often. Hey, good morning, besties. All team Sly. What can I call you guys? Comment down below. So it's a bright morning. It's not a bright morning, a chilly morning. So I just finished washing utensils and doing the house chores. I want to go to the river to do laundry. I want to show you the African way of doing laundry. So yes, stay tuned to see how Africans, especially Kisses, wash our clothes. Yes, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and let's hit 1,000 subscribers. Yo, yes, and make sure to watch the previous village episodes. Yes, and yes, it's so interesting. Yeah, look. Yes, so let's head to the river and do the laundry. Outfit for the day. This khaki skirt. Let's go. Guys, this is the laundry I'm taking to the river to wash. This phone is disturbing to vlog. Let me show you something that I've always wanted to show you guys. Yes, let's run. Yeah. So I've already fed our cow. So I want to show you the house we used to live. So guys, welcome to our house tour, our mad house tour that we used to live in. Yes, so this is the compound. It's dirty because, let me show you something. My uncle has planted a lot of trees, and that's the reason why there's a lot of littering around here. So it's so difficult to maintain. Mother is alone, so it's very difficult, especially, you know, in the village there's a lot of work to do, going to the farm, feeding the cows, the hens and stuff. So let me show you a quick house tour before we head to the river. So right here, this one used to be where my brothers used to live, and this used to be our kitchen. I don't have the keys, my mom has closed the house. Let me show you the other house that has been opened. Right here, it's now a dumping site. Used to be our sitting room. Oh my god. And let me see a way that I can do that house tour. Anyway, in short, this is how we used to live previously, but yeah, we built a new house, and that's our farm right there, and that's the way the river. Yeah, and that's our neighborhood. Yeah, so let's go to the river and do our, you guys can see the new compound is clean. That's our toilet. That's our house right there. It's not complete the outside, but I hope soon we'll be able to complete that. Yes, and that's the laundry, and that's my mom feeding the chicken, and this is our goat. This is the napier grass. Yes, and basically that's our compound. Yeah, so let's go to the river. We also have ducks. We have 2 ducks. This is my father's. My father has kept them. And this is our chicken den. This is our chickens. This is my mother. Little ones right there. Yeah, and these are the bigger ones. Mniambie niwaletee kuku Nairobi. There is more here. Little chicken. My mama is a farmer. Let me show you. This ones we have even the guinea. This one. Yes, I'm washing the clothes already. I've washed this, and these the other ones I'm still washing, and I'm remaining with this. Yes, and this the environment at our river. That's the flowing river, and for now it's very brown and dirty because it rained heavily. Yes, and let's see how it goes. I'm trying to upload a video and there's no much network here, so it's taking a while. That's why I did not vlog as I started to wash. But this is the basin, and the other one, bigger one, and this one, buckets. And this is my mini tripod that I'm trying to vlog with. So this is how we wash our clothes. Growing up, I love to wash clothes at the river, but as days goes by, as I get older, I don't like washing clothes at the river. But I tried to show you guys. I'm trying to show you how basically we do this. And can you hear the sound of the water? It's so, how can I say? It's peaceful. Yeah, I'm washing clothes for my mom, dad. Yeah. So that they can remember me when I go back to the city. When I go to Nairobi, they'll remember me. So this is how we turn the clothes when it's done. And yeah. So these ones are already clean. I'm waiting to rinse. Outfit for the day. I'm wearing this skirt. Yeah. Let me try to vlog with the back camera. I hope you are seeing me. Guys, let's hit 1,000 subscribers, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. And to the new and returning subscribers, karibu sana, and to my loyal subscribers, thank you for sticking by me, and those who comment my videos, I love you so much. Yes, and I have so much in store for you this year. I'm hopeful that this year we'll hit 10,000 subscribers. It's possible, guys. We can do it. Yes, tell a friend to tell a friend to subscribe to Raw with Sly. Yeah, and yeah, I adore you, my besties, all team Sly. You guys, I want you to suggest a name for our community, or rather our family. Can I call you guys my besties or team Sly? Yes, comment down there if you have watched my video up to this point. You are the real deal. You are the OG. Yes. In case you are wondering how I grew up, this is how I grew up. Actually, let me give you a story. So growing up, I've shown you our mud house. If you have watched from the start of the video, you have seen. We used to have to live in a mud house, and then I was in a boarding school, a girls boarding school. If you have watched my previous videos, I showed you the boarding school I went. Growing up, we used to have that mud house, and I used to be in a boarding school. And the girls we were in the boarding school, Akina Ruth. Yeah, I think Ruth Wagesha. She's the friend that we have been close since we were done from primary school. Yeah, up to now. Yeah, we are very close. So I used to be a top student, and I used not to smile. I was a serious girl because we were. I came from poverty, absolute poverty. Like I was the victim. Nilikuwa natumwa school fees. I was being sent home for school fees now and then, but I could come back and still top. I was that girl. Yeah. Then I went to high school and still had the same problem, and we were still living in a mad house. Yeah. And then in high school I didn't have even friends. Hey, high school was trauma. There were rich kids from Nairobi, from Mombasa, and then visiting day, I never saw my parents even for even one visiting day, except admission day when my dad brought me to school. One time when he came to parents day, and when my mom and auntie from my dad's side, they came for my prayer day. That's the 3 times I saw my parents show up in school. But for my 4 years, I never saw parents. And imagine our school, during visiting day, we were being brought all types of food stuffs. You can imagine, I didn't have shopping. My box was empty. I used even to borrow, how do we call, sanitary towels. Shout out to Winkiage. She was that girl that I could tell, Manze, I don't have lotion, I don't have always, and she could always come through for me. God bless her for me. So that's how basically I grew up. Yeah, up to now I feel like, as for me and my family, we have made a step. As much as we have not furnished our house, the outside, we have come from afar, and I hope I'll do great things for my parents. So yes, if you're out there and you feel like giving up, my story should make you not to give up and chase after your dreams, and everything is valid, and at the right time God will make it happen. And yeah, so let me finish up washing. I'll catch up with you later. I love you guys. Mwah. So guys, I'm all done. I want to rinse the clothes and then head home. My phone is disturbing, is overheating. So let me finish. I'll see you on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment and tell me, in your culture, how do you do your laundry? In Kisii, this is how we do our laundry. It saves time. Yes, and water, of course. It's just rinse our clothes. Yes, and let me show you the other side of the river. It's kind of a forest, so I can't go there, but this is the environment. Yes, let me rinse the clothes, and I'll catch you on my next vlog. If you have loved my village episodes, yes, and for more content, don't forget to subscribe and watch my previous videos. Yes, I love you all. Till next time, bye bye.